right, real quick. What's your LOD? Level of development is the secret sauce behind every great BIM model. It's how much you detail, accuracy, info packs at every model in each phase. You miss this, your project gets messy, you nail it, and your team moves like a well-oiled machine. This video is going to drop the 5 key moves you need to master modeling smart in Revit. No fluff, just straight facts. Now we're going to explain all the levels from 1 to 500. Here's the deal. LOD isn't just a number, it's a progression from vague to verified, and each level means something different for your model. For example, LOD 100 conceptual, man, at this stage, your model is basically a placeholder. Think of it as a rough sketch or a block. You're saying something's going to go here, but you no one's sweating dimensions or materials yet. Like dropping a rectangular mass where a building might go. LOD 200, approximate. Now you're dialing it in, walls, doors, systems, get approximate sizes, rough locations, materials are generic. Like saying this wall is concrete, but you haven't locked in the exact type or layers. It's still flexible, but you're getting serious. LOD 300, precise models. This is construction document territory. Dimensions, material, placements, locked. Your model's ready for coordination. Walls have real thicknesses, doors have exact types, and everything fits together. Contractors use this stuff to build, so accuracy is key. Level development 350, coordination. This level means your model is class-proof, pipes avoid beams, supports a model, and all trades are synced up. You can't have any piece running through concrete columns anymore. This is where the project starts looking like the final puzzle. Now, LOD 400, fabrication. This is the detailed built file. Welds, bolts, fittings, every piece ready for shop fabrication. There's still beams. It's got exact cuts, limbs, plates, connections, no guesswork, just pure build-ready info. Now, level development 500 as-builts. Final level. Your model matches what's exactly on site. Real serial numbers, install dates, and maintenance info included. This model lives past construction for facility management and operation. With all that being said, we got to dive deep into the best practices per phase. Trust me. LOD 400, when you're starting sketching out ideas, timing is everything. You want to start there. Here's how you pace your detail game. Conceptual phase, keep it light. Use masses, simple shapes. Avoid getting bogged down with materials or joints. This is a stage all about space forming and approvals. DD, as we like to call it in the biz, design development. Start defining your walls, doors, and systems roughly. Use placeholder families, keep it flexible. Coordination begins, but don't sweat it. LOD 300, construction docs. Lock things down. Product types, placements, class detection ramps up here. Get clean, coordination tight. Now, fabrication and coordination, LOD 350. Add connection details, supports, real-world fit checks. Your subcontractors need level up to build or avoid headache. Trust me. As-built, facilities, 4 and 500. Final modeling that matches what's built. Tag, serial numbers, warranties, prep for ongoing facility management. Now, with all that said, there are common pitfalls you want to avoid. All right? Watch out for rookie mistakes that kill your flow. Over detailing too early, modeling screws and trim, concept phase, waste hours and slows your project down. You don't need it. Under detailing too late, leaving your model vague in construction documents, rework, and site confusion is bound to happen. Mixing LODs in the same model. Half the models at 200 and half the models at 400. That's a recipe for pure disaster and miscommunication. No LOD communication.